Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy PEPE Coin on HTX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your particular app, and then over here tap on this option of markets. Now from over here, go ahead, go to the tap on this search icon and search for PEPE USDT. And the other thing is that you have to make sure that you have enough USDT to purchase the PEPE coin. Now tap on this option once you have found it. Then as you can see, the PEPE is simply available on the spot. Now tap on this option of trade. As I mentioned before, you make sure to switch to spot and go to this option of a buy. Now we are simply adding the information as it asks, like your limit order, your price, and the PEPE and the USDT amount that you would like to exchange it for, and how much you want to use. And tap on Buy PEPE, and that is the way you will be able to buy PEPE. And you can see on the right side you will see two amounts. The red one is simply the sale, and the green one is simply the buying, and the middle will be the spot price for you available. Now tap on Buy PEPE and you're good to go. You will be able to purchase PEPE on HTX likewise. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.